It looks like we may get the OnePlus 8 lineup earlier than we were expecting and in some new colors. The iPhone 9 is apparently on the way and might be as affordable as we were thinking, and new leaks show the design and the launch date for the Xiaomi Mi 10 lineup that's coming very soon. I'm Jaime Rivera. I know, I'm not wearing a t-shirt. I actually wasn't planning to record this today, but then I realized that I need to pre-record because I'm traveling to Galaxy Unpacked all day Monday. So this is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. A lot of companies are already gearing up for Valentine's Day, even though nobody, or at least not everybody, is celebrating. Thing about it is, right now we've got some Amazon deals on their own devices, starting off with the Amazon Echo Dot, which is $20 off, leaving it at $30 shipped. The Echo Show 5 is available for $65 shipped. The Echo Buds are $40 off, and the same case for the Echo Show 8, which is the one that I recommend most. They also have deals on Kindle, ring bundles, all the list is in the description. Now let's move the spotlight over to some rumors that have been rather vague lately. I mean, Google Pixel 4a, we are anticipating it, but those rumors kind of died down. Now they're currently back in the spotlight where we've got some information from XDA developers. Apparently, well, we've heard that the code name might be Sunfish. It'll bring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor, but apparently it won't bring 5G, as the rumors hinted. Other specs include a 5.7-inch or a 5.8-inch display, a punch hole display, a headphone jack, a fingerprint scanner at the back, and obviously the USB Type-C port. How many cameras? Probably just one. We'll keep you posted on that. Now, for those of you that have been enjoying your Razrs, it's not that I'm envious, but I am. But the thing about it is, well, the funny part is when some batches of review units are already out, and all I've seen on the internet is folding tests. CNET just made their own durability test, and well, they wanted to see how many folds this device could handle. The test was performed with a robot, and their goal was for it to open 100,000 times. Sadly, after 27,000 folds, the hinge started to malfunction by getting harder to close, making noise, and other issues, even though the display still worked. Now, if you think about it, the average person picks up their phone around 52 times a day, which means that the Razr could only last about a year and a half if you were to open it and fold it those 52 times. Now the thing about it is Motorola made a statement, and within they were like, well, you know, that machine wasn't really designed to do what it's currently doing. But then again, the Galaxy Fold pretty much passed those tests, so I don't know, buyers beware. And how about if we move the spotlight over to the Xiaomi Mi 10 lineup? The company teased that we should expect this to be their first 5G ever phone back at the Snapdragon Summit in Hawaii that I was covering. Now we've got some more interesting leaks, now with images. First of all, expect a possible launch on February 23rd at MWC, and then other images show us posters of the phone that show the quad cameras, including an 108 megapixel sensor that Xiaomi made with Samsung. And then the Mi 10 lineup is also expected to bring a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, a 5250 mAh battery, and LPDDR5 RAM, along with a punch hole. Stay tuned. This could be a really hot phone, and I'm really looking forward to it. Now, another really hot phone that's actually technically going to be affordable is what to expect for the next generation iPhone SE, or as many people dub it, the iPhone 9. Today we've got some other reports that back up what Meng Chi Kuo reported back in October that claim that the phone will cost $399 after all. The leaks still hint that it will bring an A13 Bionic chip, 3 GB of RAM, a single camera at the back, 64 and 128 GB options, and Touch ID. Now the production is supposed to start this month if everything goes well with the coronavirus over in China. So I guess that's going to probably be a determining factor, or they'll probably still announce it and we'll get it with delays or excessive demand, you know, the typical way that Cupertino does things. Now finally, the hottest news today have to do with OnePlus, the OnePlus 8, or whatever that device or that lineup is going to be dubbed, as, well, we usually have seen these launches happen in May, at least for the past 2 years, but it seems that the company is going to go back to its roots and make announcements earlier this time. We've got a new leak that claims that we should expect it to somewhere around March, and apparently we're getting the OnePlus 8, the OnePlus 8 Pro, and probably even a Lite. Now bear in mind, it's probably either going to be March or April, or an announcement in March to be launched in April, but the source also claims that we should expect a new green color variant for these phones. A new image from a different source shows the green color variant with some specifications that include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, a 6.5-inch IPS display, which is 120 Hz, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 or 256 gigs of storage. Let us know in the comments down below two things. Do you think that it's a good idea for the company to launch this phone early? And the second, 8 gigs of RAM? Really? I mean, the rumors are that the Galaxies are going to have 12. That's not like OnePlus. What do you think about that? I mean, do you think this is the new Never Sleddle from the company? Because in my case, I mean, come on. They are supposed to bring the best and the most, so what are we waiting for? Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me play around at these events. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow, I guess.